In this video, I'll show you guys how to send money internationally with Wise in 2025. First, open the Wise app or go to wise.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's free and just takes less than a minute. Once logged in, click the send money button. Now choose the currency you're sending from and the currency you're sending to, like USD, British pounds, or euros. Then enter how much you want to spend. Wise will show you the real exchange rate, the fee breakdown, and exactly how much your recipient will get. You'll also get the estimated delivery time. Now add your recipient's bank details. You can send to individuals or businesses. Just make sure you enter the full name, bank account number, and country correctly. Then select how much you want to pay your bank account, debit card or Wise balance. Then review everything and hit confirm, then send. Wise will begin processing the transfer immediately. And that's it, your money is on its way. You can track the transfer in real time inside.